The working session of the conference began with the Honorable Chief Justices and dignitaries who took out the World Unity March.
A plea for one birth is heard in many different lands. A plea for one birth is heard in many different lands. This is the plea of a world that is hungry for peace. This is the plea of a world that is hungry for peace. Let all men come together, let all men live together happily, forever and ever, singing a song of peace, singing a song of peace, singing a song of peace.
Please call an urgent meeting of world leaders and establish the rule of law.
We want
World unity!
We want
World peace! We want World Court of Justice!
Although global jurisprudence is resting in peace, now is your time to resurrect the global law.
Enforceable international law is the idea whose time has come.
abolish nuclear weapons and conserve the environment.
We want a united and a peaceful world.
Please call an urgent meeting of world leaders for world unity.
Resurrect global jurisprudence and establish the rule of law.
Establish a new world order.
Change the International Court of Justice to World Court of Justice.
Empower the International Court of Justice and enact the world law.
Unite the world.
Establish one system of education in the world.
Call an urgent meeting of world leaders without any further delay.
Unite the world leaders for world unity.
Have one world currency.
Have one world language.
Establish
The rule of law.
Democratize United Nations.
A plea for one birth is heard in many different lands. A plea for one birth is heard in many different lands. This is the plea of a world that is hungry for peace. This is the plea of a world that is hungry for peace. Let all men come together, let all men live together happily, forever and ever, singing a song of peace, singing a song of peace, singing a song of peace.
Please call an urgent meeting of world leaders and establish the rule of law.
We want
World unity!
We want
World peace! We want World Court of Justice!
Although global jurisprudence is resting in peace, now is your time to resurrect the global law.
Enforceable international law is the idea whose time has come.
abolish nuclear weapons and conserve the environment.
We want a united and a peaceful world.
Please call an urgent meeting of world leaders for world unity.
Resurrect global jurisprudence and establish the rule of law.
Establish a new world order.
Change the International Court of Justice to World Court of Justice.
Because peace is the byproduct of unity. Unity requires two things: a common concern and a binding thread. The common concern are the 2 points 5 billion children in the world. And the binding thread will be the World Parliament. The World Parliament is the binding thread. We are working on having a World Parliament.
It's a great pleasure and honor to be here today with this World March. I hope that the goals set for this conference will be reached after this conference, and we have to work every day to reach the goal. It is a great honor.
It is a great pleasure to be here today in Lucknow at the City Montessori School. We are very grateful to Dr. Gandhi and all the other staff of the CMS school for inviting us here. We have never seen a parade like this anywhere else in the world at any conference. We hope it will be a successful conference.
For honoring me to talk on such a big occasion. In fact, big marches like these send messages, because as I said, actions speak louder than words. Let the peace march be proof to our children that we want peace too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Gandhi. Good morning, everyone. It's good to be back to Lucknow again. And it's great to meet with guests from over 70 countries who has been dedicated to our next generation.
Is the lady from Houston, USA. She was there to organize 50,000 Indians to hear Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister. So she is an iron lady from USA.
Thank you so much. I would like to speak in Hindi. Okay, नमस्ते मेरे भाइयों और बहनों, भारतवासियों, हम यहाँ पर आए हैं, हम भी भारत का हिस्सा हैं. I am from Houston, Texas. Modi ji called us the family. Modi ji went to USA, Houston, Texas, and when he introduced us, he introduced us his family. So behalf of Modi ji family, I want to say that this unity marches was a necessity, was a need of an hour. So right now, behalf of all of us together, what we want to do is we want to take this torch further, whichever country that we belong to, wherever we have come from, we have to take this message along with us, because we are the representative of our country, we are representative of our people. So when we take this message back home, we want to make an impact. We want to gather more people, and we want to spread this message of unity.
I have to speak only in French, just for 3 words. Premièrement, nous avons 3 exemples de paix et de personnes qui incarnent la paix dans le monde. Le premier exemple que nous connaissons, c'est l'honorable Gandhi.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here to participate in this great event, promoting peace and freedom and unity and the rule of law. The rule of law is actually substantial rule of law, what means not formal rule of law, keeping the bare words of law, but it's substantial in the sense that it protects, safeguards, and promotes human dignity.
There are 3 people, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They were all very eminent people, and in that picture you can see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Acharya Narendra Dev ji. There are 3 monkeys you can say that do not listen evil, do not say evil, do not see evil. So neither listen, nor speak, nor see. These were the 3 gurus or teachers of Mahatma Gandhi. So this is the created place. All the holy books that you can see here, the Tripitaka, Bible, Holy Quran, Kitab Ekdas, these all books have come from one God, because these are the books of God, and there is only one God.
President of City Montessori School, Professor Geeta Gandhi Kington, began the day's proceedings.
The deepening environmental crisis, which is driven by a system that condones the pillage of natural resources to satisfy an insatiable thirst for more, suggests how entirely inadequate it is, the present conception of humanity's relationship with nature is. And I put it to you that a globalizing world requires a fundamental reconceptualization of the relationships that sustain society. Many would agree that there are a growing number of environmental problems that call for solutions at an international level and which require a set of actions that are endorsed by all governments. But international agreements that do not deal with the ills of humanity, the underlying ills of humanity, at a fundamental level, for example, greed, consumerism, materialism, desire for higher economic growth, even if it, and for more consumption, even if it imposes environmental costs, and even if that pace of development, that pace of economic growth is not sustainable, is not commensurate or compatible with a sustainable living.
For the inaugural session of the conference, Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Dinesh Sharma, arrived at the World Unity Convention Center auditorium to a warm welcome.
The entire fold and fraternity is immensely happy to have amidst ourselves the chief guest, Honorable Dr. Dinesh Sharma ji.
Teachers of City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 2 presented the school prayer.
Has created me to know thee and worship thee. Vande Mataram Sujalam Suphalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shasya Shyamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Convener of the conference, founder of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, introduced the chief guest and shared the objective vision of organizing this conference.
He is also holding the post of the National Vice President of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. Donning several heads, Honorable Dr. Sharma is a professor of commerce at the University of Lucknow. He has guided 17 students to do their PhD, and his students include the Vice Chancellor of 2 universities, and currently they are pursuing DLIT under his guidance. Dr. Sharma's popularity can be gauged by the fact that he was elected as the Mayor of Lucknow for the second consecutive term in 2012, with a huge margin of over 1.71 lakh of votes, highest ever in the urban local body elections anywhere in India. His huge public following and impassable public image has led to his appointment as the BJP leadership to the post of National Vice President of the ruling party of India. We are very honored to have amongst us very, very eminent personalities. We are having 2 presidents, former president of the republics, 2 prime ministers from various republics, and I have sent the list to Honorable Sharma, and 2 speakers of parliament, 2 ministers, and 2 judges of International Criminal Court, and 1 judge from the International Court of Justice is also coming, Dalveer Bhandari ji. On the 12th, he is coming for the closing ceremony.
After the lamp lighting ceremony, Dr. Dinesh Sharma said,
The lamp lit the brightness all around us. The tone and tenor of this enlightening conference set in all its splendor and grandeur, with brightness of hope and conviction that all the leaders across the globe shall together help in the unification of the world.
आज अंधाधुन विनाशक हथियारों का पर प्रतिबंध, जलवायु परिवर्तन के संदर्भ में एकरूपता भाव से कोई विचार और आपसी समन्वय और भाईचारे का प्रचार प्रसार पूरी दुनिया में हो, इसके लिए इस प्रकार के सम्मेलनों का महत्व बढ़ जाता है.
In today's world, where there is massive concern about a safe ecology for the future well-being of the world, it is very important to be united together in brotherhood and be of common thinking for how to address these issues.
मैं CMS के फाउंडर मेंबर श्री जगदीश गांधी जी को और उनकी संस्था को बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने कई वर्षों के अथक प्रयत्नों में लखनऊ का नाम इस किए जा रहे प्रयत्नों में सबसे ऊपर रखा है.
I'm very happy that the founder manager of City Montessori School has made efforts year on year for many, many years to bring the name of Lucknow to be associated with such efforts of unity and peace, and I would like to congratulate him.
Dr. Dinesh Sharma then presented the Mahatma Gandhi Award to Honorable Mr. Justice Menkerios Beraki, Chief Justice of Eritrea. As is the CMS objective of uniting the world through imparting peace education to children and by empowering the society to strive towards the education of peace and security of world's 2.5 billion children and generations yet unborn, on such similar lines, a USA-based organization called Federation of World Peace and Love, whose mission is to create a culture of peace through raising conscience, its president, Dr. Hong Tao-tse, presented a memorial citation to Dr. Dinesh Sharma. Dr. Jagdish Gandhi also honored the chief guest. The inaugural session was addressed by many speakers. Here are the excerpts from the speeches.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, ours is a world challenged by social, economic, political, environmental crises and afflictions, some of which we either never envisioned, and in some instances, we lived a life